What is a breadboard?
A breadboard is a fundamental tool used in electronics for creating and testing prototypes of electronic circuits without the need for soldering. It provides a platform for quickly and easily connecting electronics components, such as resistors, capacitors, integrated circuits, and other devices to construct and test various circuit designs. A breadboard typically has evenly spaced rows and columns of holes. The breadboard has metal strips that are located under its plastic base. The most common breadboard has two basic parts, the bus strips and terminal strips. Terminal strips are made up of small holes that take up most of the area in a breadboard where electronic components can be plugged in. To ensure proper connection, you must check the labeling of your breadboard before plugging things in. This will help to avoid any mistakes or issues that may arise. A typical breadboard is composed of terminal strips that consist of sets of 5 holes arranged either vertically or horizontally, depending on the orientation of the labels. The side rows and columns are marked with letters and numbers, which can be helpful when placing components and troubleshooting, especially if there are a lot of components involved. The bus strips or power rails let you connect the board and its electronic components to a power source. Usually, you can find it along the edges, labeled with positive and negative signs to simplify power distribution. These long blue and red lines extended from top to bottom indicated that the metal strips inside are connected throughout the line. This typical 830 type points breadboard may come with two different markings of lines in the bus strip. One is connected throughout from top to bottom and the other one is disconnected to the center. And not all the breadboards have dedicated power rails. For example, are small breadboards like this 55 type points breadboard and 170 type points breadboard. There's also additional parts for common breadboards. They have notches or grooves on the sides that allow you to connect multiple breadboards for larger projects. In summary, breadboards are a crucial tool for anyone interested in exploring electronics, regardless of whether they are beginners or experienced engineers. They are flexible, user-friendly, and affordable, making them essential for prototyping.